Hi guys, I hope you guys are staying healthy. I'm going to run through activity 2 on video with you here. I've had some people email me with some trouble, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a video so that you guys have it to refer back to, okay? So first thing you're going to do is open up Google Slides Activity 1. It should be in your Google Drive. And I did change a few things about this. I took a step off, but if you've already completed it all the way, that's fine, okay? But if you have not finished activity 2, you will refer to this video and set it up just like I'm showing you, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is insert a 5th slide. So you have Google Slides Activity 1 opened. I've already inserted one, but if you don't have it inserted yet, you would just click on slide 4 and do the little plus sign, okay? And then the layout for it, just enter a blank slide. It did say something else, but let's just enter a blank slide instead. If you did the other layout, that's fine, okay? You can leave it. So then we're gonna insert a table on the left side of that slide 5, okay? And it's a 2x7 table. So you're going here. I've already inserted it, but for you, it'd be insert, table, and then you would do a 2x7. Okay, so when it said 2x7, then you're good. Okay, it would look like that. To get it smaller, you're just gonna hover until you can move it. Okay, it's gotta be the white arrows. Okay, then it moves the entire chart. If there's another little set, but if it has to be the white arrows, okay? So then you can move your chart and adjust it however you need to adjust it. Then you're gonna fill in the information, okay? And then you can edit kind of like they did. They changed the fill color to blue, and then they did a gray, white pattern, okay? So remember, to change the cell colors, you have to highlight the cells you wanna change, okay? And then it's the paint can, right? While this is already on there, the titles, go ahead and bold those. Okay, so bold, and then we're gonna center a line and set them to middle. Okay, and then in regards to the other cells, just do it in whatever pattern you want, but just make sure it's a pattern. So if you wanna do purple, blue, whatever you wanna do, okay? The title cells need to be a different color. Okay, so white, light gray, whatever. Then you're gonna highlight your entire table and thicken the borders around it, okay? So maybe a 4, and make sure that your border color is set to black, okay? So then your table should be looking something like that. Go ahead and highlight the entire table again. Control C is to copy, right? Then you're gonna go into insert, down to chart, and we're gonna insert a pie chart. Okay, so click pie, and it'll pop up on the right side. Okay, so what you're gonna do now, once you get to this point, is click on the 3 little dots and open source. Okay, this is the default settings where it's like team 1 through 4. We don't need that information in there. So I'm gonna highlight all of those cells that have those numbers, and you can just press backspace and it'll get rid of them. And since you've already copied the other one, you just press Control V over. I thought I had it copied, so I'm gonna do it again. So Control C to copy, and then over here, Control V to paste, right? So then you can see that now there is my pie chart. Okay. Looks like what it needs to. The only thing you're gonna do is change the title. Okay, change it to what it says on the slides with number sign, and then you're good to go, right? You're just gonna go back to your slides now, and it should have an option here to update it. And then there you go, there's your pie chart. Then you can kind of just fix both of them to fit on the page before you add the title. To add the title on this, all you need to do is click off of everything and go into layout, and then where it says title only, and then fill in the title that it says. Okay, so that's how you do that. That's what most people were having trouble with, so I hope that helps. Moving on down. Okay, so we already did that. Go to slide 4 and select all the text under the kind club title and the kind club information title and turn it into a numbered list. So slide 4. So all you're going to do is inside of this, each sentence or paragraph is going to have its own number. So if I erase this, it's set like that for you. It should be, all you're going to do is type in 1 space. Okay. And then 2 space. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing for the kind club information. So then you have your numbered list, right? Down to number 7. You're going to start making it look a little bit more visually appealing. Select slide 1, then select the slide menu and select the background tool, select the white color, then click add to theme.